In this instruction video, we will show you how to replace the canopy on your 11-foot LED market umbrella. To begin, lay the umbrella on a flat surface, such as a tabletop or a clean carpet. Remove the finial and solar panel. Remove the old canopy from air vent by first taking the pocket off the plastic bracket. Press the fixed clips into the metal bracket. Slide up and remove the snap button from bracket. Repeat this step on the other 7 ribs. Loosen the screws at the rib end. Repeat this step on all ribs. Remove the old canopy and put on the new canopy. Put the screws back on the rib ends. Slide the snap buttons back into the air vent. Repeat for all ribs. Put the plastic brackets into the pockets. Repeat for all ribs. Attach the finial and solar panel. Place the umbrella back into the base. Fully open umbrella and check that the replacement fabric is securely in place. Your umbrella is now ready for use.